Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. I honestly don't even know what to call this look right here. It's smoky, but not, but kind of. Anyways, we're gonna do this look. If you guys want to see how I got it done, keep watching. We always start out with, let's say it together, carving the brows. That's right, we're using, y'all already know, you already know, y'all know that song. I'm not gonna sing it because this is a kid-friendly channel, but yeah, Il Maquillage concealer, and I'm just gonna use this It Cosmetics brush to buff out that concealer all over my lid, because you guys know how I do when I do my concealer. I make sure that I use it on my lid space as a primer. This Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions, so stinking cute. We're gonna use the little black doot in the corner, and like always when you're doing a smoky eye, or even when you're using dark colors, you start off light. I wanted this to be really dark pow look at me in the outer corner, so I'm just popping on the colors where I want it to be, and then I'm gonna go through and blend them out afterwards. Right next to that black, I laid a brown because I just want this really nice fluid gradient of light in the inner area brown, then black, and you guys are going to see how I create that like gradient look, because that's why we're here. All right, this is the blending part. Blending, yeah, that's right. Asia's always blending day and night. Hey, look at that. I came up with that off the top of my head. Nobody else is excited about it but me, but that's okay. I'm my own hype person. We're just gonna blend, and you're gonna see how these colors just kind of you know, do their thing. You know, we're just gonna smoke it out just a little bit. Ooh, look at she looking. Oh, okay. All right, now we're about to cut this crease. Put a little couple of dots, look upward, and that tells me where I need my line to be. Sir, do you mind just turning that down just a tad bit? I appreciate you. Thanks. So yeah, I don't know what was going on with my eye brush that I was using. I usually use this brush to carve out my eyebrows, and it's a really, like, I should have used the other MAC, I think it's MAC 248 brush to give me that cut crease, but I was being lazy, didn't feel like looking for it, so I used this brush. And the reason why it was causing me issues, because using a smaller brush for the cut crease to draw that line is so much easier, because it just makes it easier to get a crisp line. I was just being lazy, y'all. Like, look, okay. So now packing in that brown again, because I want that gradient. Did that rhyme? I don't know. Did that rhyme, Bubba? Wow, he wasn't listening. He said maybe. Did it? It rhymed? Okay. I feel like gradient. Wait. Put brown again. Something gradient. Did that rhyme, baby? He not listening. Baby not listening to me. The disrespecta though. They always, I'm telling y'all, they always walking through my videos. All right, so we put that creamy color on the inner eye, and I really like how it looked. The only thing, when I closed my eyes, I didn't like how it looked with no lashes. I should have popped on some lashes, but again, I was being lazy. I went in with that kind of like reddish type color, put that on the like kind of right up underneath the brow bone, just to, I don't know, just because I was feeling it. Like, I was just like, I was looking at the eye going, the eye is missing something, so what should I do? And then I was like, oh look, let me put that little extra pop of color right there, and it worked, y'all. Okay, so don't judge me, I still have not waxed my brows, but it's because I'm lazy. Okay, take a shot every time you hear me say I'm lazy. I'm lazy. Boom. Hey. All right, so I noticed right there that the gradient, like, it just looks good, right? Like, that's what I was showing y'all. I think that's what I was pointing to, because I'm looking at it, I'm like, okay, it's cool. I probably could have added a little bit more brown. Like, it looks like it could use more brown. Kush mascara for the win, FTW, because Milk Makeup is just the bomb diggity. No diggity. I don't know why, y'all, I'm in a singing mood. Boom. Hey, both those eyes are done though. Look at how cute it is. Okay, I messed up a little bit on the other eye because I think I needed to use a clean brush and I didn't, and I got a little bit of the like brownish blackish color on the cream color part. I didn't notice that when I did it. Okay, I'd be in the mood and I'd be in the zone and I'd just be doing my thing and I'm like, oh, this is cute. And then when I go to edit the video, I'm like, what is that? The camera picks up everything. You know, I don't really think the camera adds 50 pounds, but it does pick up everything that you do. Like, see that little touch of mascara that I got on that other eye over there? Look, okay, I'm seeing all the areas where I could have done a little bit better, but that's all right, you know, because we'll get in the next video. I hope you guys got some inspiration on doing a makeup look. You can pop lashes on. I put a little bit of color in the waterline. She thinks she cute. My face is done. I am beat, no foundation. Boom. Inspo. Tag me if you guys do this look. Leave me some comments below and I'll see you guys in the next video.